Hi friends, welcome to my channel Fitness Solution by Shipon. Day by day I give you some exercise information. Today I give you another important exercise, and this is very strong and energetic exercise. And now I give you full information how to do this exercise for the beginner. And now I take how to do this exercise and starting point, main exercise, and muscle construction in this exercise. So first, you look, this is the bear crawl walking. So first, your both hands fixed onto the ground and your both knee 45-degree angles and your toe touch onto the ground. And now first I give you the full sequence of starting point. Then I start both hands and both legs, and you look my legs 45 degree. Okay, take this position, and after that when you start walking like a spear, now start from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This exercise is very strong and energetic, and your body muscle, forearms muscle, bicep, tricep, deltoid, rectus abdominis, quadricep, gluteus maximus, hamstring, and pectoralis major, pectoralis minor also work at a time. So this exercise is very important for you. Without any instrument you can do this, and after that when you regularly do this exercise you also develop your cardiac. So try to do this exercise and follow me, and all time take to do exercise for your good health, good life. Thank you.